Hey, what's up guys? This is Mo here on Top Tech Media, bringing you the latest and coolest gadgets alongside with tips and tools on how to grow your online channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss anything. So let's get started. So on today's video we have a wireless touch lamp for your bedside cabinet. It has 6 color tones and you can pick any of them at any time with a simple touch activation. It also has 3 levels of lighting, so you can go from low, medium and high. So some of the features with this wireless touch lamp is that it doesn't only just serve as a touch lamp, it has built-in audio capability, so you can actually listen to Bluetooth audio alongside with you can actually take phone calls through this device as well. So that's really cool. So let's open it up and let's see how the device actually looks. Okay, so it comes in a square packaging, nothing too fancy, and let's open it up and have a closer look. Let's have a look at this device. Okay, so the first thing is obviously the weight of the device isn't too heavy, so it's quite nice and light. Not too light, it doesn't feel flimsy. We'll take it out in a second. Let's just have a look at what else comes in the box itself. So it comes with a 3.5mm jack. I'm assuming you can actually connect your phone or any audio devices directly into this device itself. What else do we have here? Okay, so we have a charging cable, so it is obviously wireless. You don't have to always have it on charge. You don't have to always have it connected, but you can have it charged up for on the go. Also, we have a user manual over here. Not that we need it, we'll put that to a side for now. Okay, so it's a very nice, neat design, very slick. It's a nice white flush color. So taking a look at the back, it's got the USB port for charging, which the charging cable is provided. It's got the 3.5mm input over here, and it's got the power on off switch as well. Also, it comes with this little handle over here. I'm assuming if you wanted to, you can sometimes you can take it for camping and stuff like that, so that's really useful as well. So let's turn the device on and see what the quality is like and look at the lighting as well. It's also got a built-in mic, so you can actually take phone calls through this device as well, which is absolutely amazing.
Bluetooth mode has been on.
That's the first message you get. Bluetooth mode is on. I'm assuming it needs pairing, but let's have a look if it actually can turn on. Oh wow, yes, it does turn on. So that the first one was low lighting, the second one was medium, I'm assuming, and this is the third level. So that is quite bright to my eyes. I don't know if you can make it out on the camera. What happens if we touch it again? It turns off. So to activate the other colors, the RGB colors, you have to tap it. You have to tap and hold it. So if you just tap it like this, it just interchanges with the colors and it goes off. So if we do it one more time and just show you how that works. Okay, so I actually thought you have to actually touch the outer ring over here, but you actually touch the speaker grill, which is quite a nice little touch there. So if you press that once, twice and then 3 times, that will power the different levels of light mode. If you hold on to it, it will change the colors, and then you can interchange the colors, whichever color that you fancy. I believe it's got 6 colors. So let's connect an audio device or a mobile phone and see how it sounds.
Paired.
Okay, so that's connected now, and let's try and play some audio and see how it sounds. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. I think it actually, the colors actually change alongside with the audio that's getting played through your device. Absolutely amazing. I didn't actually expect that. There we are, guys. Hope you've enjoyed that short video. If you are interested in getting one of these devices, I will provide a link in the description box below. Also, I'd really appreciate if you can hit that like button as well as subscribe to the channel, and we shall see you on the next video.